Howdy do, hello again and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be making some homemade Nutella. Here I have some hazelnut, coconut milk, salt and a mixture of milk and dark chocolate, cinnamon powder and some vanilla extract. The first thing I'm going to do is to prepare my hazelnut, and I'm going to be roasting these in the oven. So here I'm preparing the hazelnut for roasting, and I'm going to roast these for 10 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. So while my hazelnut is roasting, I'm preparing my coconut milk here. And what I'm doing here is I'm skimming most of the milk from the coconut and less of the water. Now I'm going to bring the coconut milk to a boil. And once it starts boiling, I'm going to remove it from the heat. So now I'm going to be adding some of my other ingredients. So here I'm adding some salt, vanilla essence, and some cinnamon powder. Now I'm going to stir this in until the cinnamon powder is dissolved. I'm now going to prepare my chocolate, and I'm breaking the chocolate into smaller pieces. Now I'm going to add the hot milk to the chocolate. I'm now going to mix this in until the chocolate is melted. I'm now going to cover this and leave it to sit for about 3 to 4 minutes. So now I'm going to remove my hazelnuts from the oven. And what I'm going to do here with the hazelnut is to separate the nut from the shell. So I'm going to be using my fingers here, but you can put this in a tea towel and use a tea towel. So I'm just separating these here, and I'm going to remove the hazelnut and put it in a separate container. So now that's all done, I'm going to blend my hazelnut, and I'm going to be using my NutriBullet here. So what I want from the hazelnut is for it to be blended into a paste. So I'm going to be blending this for a couple of minutes. So now I'll show you what the blended hazelnut looks like. You can see here it's a bit pasty, and you can see like there's a little oil forming also. That's perfectly okay, but it needs blending a bit more because it's still a bit nutty. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to add some of the chocolate, the melted chocolate here, and I'm going to blend it again. So I'm going to be adding about 6 tablespoons of the melted chocolate to the hazelnut. And I'm adding the chocolate here just to provide a bit of moisture so that the hazelnut can be blended out smoothly. So I'm blending the chocolate now together with the hazelnut, and you can see now what the texture actually looks like. So it's completely blended now and the mixture is smooth. There's no more nuts in here. And if you look, you can see like there's some oil coming from the jug here, but that's perfectly okay. I'm going to pour this all into the chocolate here, and I'm going to mix it in with my spatula until I get it, into a smooth consistency. So you can see here it's mixing out, but I want a smoother consistency. I'm going to use my handle mixer here to just mix this out and make it very, very smooth. So there we have it. If you look, you can see the texture here. It looks very smooth and silky. But there is some hair bubble in here. I'm just now using the spatula to kind of fold it in to get rid of some of the hair bubbles that has been generated while I was using the mixer. So this is the texture I'm actually looking for. I'm now going to remove the Nutella from the bowl here. So if you look, you can see how smoothly blended the mixture is. It's silky and smooth. I'm going to remove it from here and place these into glass jars and allow them to cool. So I still have some more Nutella left in my bowl. I'm actually getting a second jar from the mixture I had. So I'll just pour this into another glass jar and I'm going to allow them to cool. There we have it, beautiful Nutella. All we needed was 3 or 4 simple ingredients. So there we have it, guys. I'm now serving my Nutella with some toast. I also made some homemade pancakes, which I had served some with as well. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And also remember to turn your notification bells on so you do get notified when we do upload more videos like these. Thanks again for watching. Enough love. Bye.